going on, guys? Kelly back here again. So we're gonna start this vlog off a little bit differently. Today, we're gonna egg my wife's car. Check it out. Alright, so I've been waiting for my wife to come home for a while now. She just dropped off my in-laws at the airport. I've been watching our daughter all day long, and all I want to do is go to the gym, get some good footage, good content for you guys. But she's sitting in the car right now, and I'm guessing it's because my son's sleeping. I'm about to egg her car. I gotta wash her car anyways. But anyways, I'm gonna egg her car, see if we can get a funny reaction out of her. And I gotta do this pretty stealthily because I gotta like lift the window. Done. But she's out there. And I also gotta take the screen out of the window. So I'm gonna set you guys up right here. We got the screen. Screen inside, check. Alright, yo, check this out. I'm about to turn the camera around. Let's see if we can. There she is right there. I don't know if you can see her or not. Yo, this is fucking crazy. Jody? Jody, just know that I'm so sorry. Psych! Yo, this is about to be fucking hilarious, and she's definitely gonna kill me. 100% gonna go crazy. Some people just passing on a bicycle too. Here we go. Here's the egg right here, boys and girls. Do it for the vine. I want to go to the gym! Hurry up! Holy shit, I'm gonna be dead. Hopefully she's not mad at me. Yo! She's washing it, dude. Oh my god. She's washing it with her windshield wipers, dude. That is so funny. Hi, Jody. I love you too, babe. Alright guys, just a quick shout out to my brother right here. He's the one that came up with that idea. Patty, go and say hello. Alright, yeah, good talk, Patty. That was your one chance at fame right there, piece of shit. That's my brother, everybody. Non-existent. Oh yeah, we're just friends. Just friends. Just friends. Me and this guy right here.
No, we're acquaintances, fool.
I've been downgraded to acquaintances. I'll go myself now.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to say a quick shout out to Hayden Jones. Thank you so much for the participation in the comment section down below. If you guys want to get shout out for the next video, make sure you guys comment down below. Say something funny, say hello, say whatever you guys want. Alright, what is going on, people? Welcome back to another video of Strictly Chest. Yeah, I just want to say right now, this chest workout was probably one of my favorites. Just hitting one muscle group is honestly something that I've never really done before, and I can tell you after I left the gym, you can just feel your chest is on fire. Like, normally I do chest and triceps in one day, and I do chest and try. Like, I alternate what body part I'm gonna do during the workout, and just doing strictly chest was actually a lot of fun and really tiring as well. So like the normal weight that I normally do, I definitely could not do it, but I did do a lot of reps. So I do highly recommend, you know, every now and again just like kind of splitting your workouts up and just do one muscle group, focus on that for a little bit, you know, focus on form, whatnot. Also, I did a little color grading and some effects on the video right now. As you can see, like the lights appear to be kind of brighter, the oranges feel like they're more orange, the colors don't they're not like grayed out like they normally are in like a normal video. So if you guys like this color grading and you guys want me to keep it, comment down below, tell me if you guys like it or not, or I can do a different color grading I can mix with the colors. Also, I'm going to talk about form real fast. So I watched a few videos online, and according to a lot of smart people, the best form is what I'm about to show you right now. I took a bunch of pictures of it. They want you to arch your back, which I'll show right now. Arching your back, so your butt's on the ground and then your shoulders are laying on the ground. Also have your ankles behind your knees, and then, like I said before, back flat, shoulders flat. And that way, all you're doing is pushing. Only thing that's moving is your arms. Your legs are stabilizing your whole body, and you're holding your chest, or you're using your chest to push. So, anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about. Other than that, I have a bunch of different channel ideas, a bunch of different ideas that I want to work with this channel. If you guys would like to see anything different, if you guys have other YouTube videos or other people that vlog, that do other things, and you guys want to see me do them as well, just post a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see, because this is for you guys really, and slightly myself. So if you guys want to see something different, you guys just let me know, comment down below, and we'll see what we can do. Anyways, that's all I have for the commentary. I'm gonna hit you guys up later. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.
Guys, we actually had a really good workout just now. We did just chest day today, which I have not done in a very, very long time. Just doing strictly chest, but we had actually a really good pump. I'm gonna set you guys up right here, actually. So you're not all shaky and wobbly today. What do you guys think about that? Is that nice? Dude, I am sweating like crazy. Today, we are kind of cheating. We are not doing abs today, and I'll tell you guys why. We're not doing abs today because going to hockey. Unfortunately, I totally forgot about going to hockey. Otherwise, I would have set my GoPro up. I could have put on my helmet and have some cool like hockey scenes for you. But unfortunately, didn't bring it. So that's what we're going to right now. What's going on, guys? Just got done playing hockey. I had to quit an hour early. It's a 2-hour long pickup. Playing 5-on-5 with one sub. I am absolutely worn out, beat. Did not have enough energy for this. Definitely have not played hockey in a really, really long time. But this is my cardio for the day, and I absolutely got beat to hell. So if you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to comment, make sure you guys comment down below. Also, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys do subscribe, hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys another day. See ya.